In this box right here are the cheapest pair of off-white sneakers I could find. And yeah, I'm gonna show them to you guys today. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new unboxing video. And there's some really good sales happening right now on Essence's website. I lost my affiliate status, but if you guys wanna check out their website anyways, I'll leave it linked down below and you guys can check out some of the sales that they're having. And I ended up buying the cheapest off-white pair of sneakers they had on the website. This is gonna be a two-part unboxing video. So part one, I'll be unboxing the cheapest off-white sneakers I could find. And in part two, we're actually going to be unboxing the cheapest designer Y3 sneakers I could find. And yeah, I just wanted to switch it up and give you guys a little more of the old school videos I used to do, where it's just like a face to camera unboxing, showing you guys some sneakers and showing you guys what you can get if you are on a tight budget, but you still want to get some dope designer footwear. So Virgil Abloh has been crushing it with Nike with the 10 collection. He's going to be making big moves with Louis Vuitton next year with the spring summer 19 launch, looking really good. And we got in-house off-white sneakers in this box right here. So this is the box, and I picked up a Y3 shirt as well, but I'll show you guys that in the next video. Oh my gosh, shoe box. This is my first ever mainline off-white sneaker pickup. I'm really hyped. I blame Carlo, my friend Carlo in Manila. He has a huge obsession with off-white. He has probably a bigger off-white collection than most people's sneaker collections, which is crazy. But yeah, shout out to Carlo. I think he did an off-white sneaker collection video. I'll leave it linked down below. And here's the shoebox. Here's a look at the shoebox for the cheapest off-white sneakers that I could find. It's in this like ivory green colorway. We have shoebox in quotes. 2013, I guess this is a 2013 model. Over here it says Off-White CO Virgil Abloh blippity boppity bloop. You guys can read that if you want. And then what else do we got? We got SB here for shoebox, I take it. Right there, sizing information. No sizing information, it just says SB a billion times. On the other side of the box, here is a look at the tag. And this will sort of give away, you know, I'll cover it. You can rewind it if you want, but this is a little note about the shoe, so that's pretty cool. So the price for these off-white sneakers were 300 Canadian dollars or 220 US. Expensive, I know, especially considering the type of silhouette that it is, but sometimes you just want to splurge and treat yourself. So totally understand if you guys are gonna bash me for buying this shoe, but you know what, it's my money at the end of the day. So box, first of all, really good construction on the box. Really thick, really sturdy, really sharp edges. Let's get rid of the box now, or the lid. Ooh, all right. We have some dust bags in here. So we have matching ivory dust bags. There's one, looks like we got one bag right here. Has a little writing there too. And then here we have the tissue paper. Let's experience this together. Let me smell this first, actually. Nah, no specific smell. All right, let's get this paper out of the way. Ooh, yes. Here we go. All right, so these are essentially the Off-White Vans. Now, your boy took an L on the Off-White Converse that just came out, the ones with that horizontal midsole pattern. That's the same pattern that's on this shoe. And I'm not trying to pay resale for those shoes. So what I did instead was I was like, you know what? Let's go for the Off-White Vans. Like, these are pretty cool. This is not an official collaboration with Vans, but yeah, they're essentially like a old school, Vans old school with Off-White branding. I do want to get a pair of those deconstructed Vans. Here's a photo on screen right now. The deconstructed Vans look so freaking dope. They did a black colorway. They also did a white colorway, and I love those things. But they're hard to find, and they actually have resale value. So these I picked up for 300 Canadian dollars or 220 US. They made other colorways of this shoe as well. So if you're not a fan of the white colorway, they made a black one. They also made a red one, and they're all a canvas upper with the orange hits throughout the shoe. So let me bring these sneakers up close, give you guys a quick little 360. I'll do a review on these shoes later in the week while I'm in Japan. But for now, let me give you guys that real quick 360 view and on feet, and we'll wrap it up with a quick little discussion for the comment question of the day. So stick around for the comment question of the day at the end of the video. And yeah, let's throw these on feet and then I'll show you guys the details. So the proper name for this particular off-white shoe is the Vans vulcanized low top. Vulcanized, I guess, is the outsole, the sole. It's a vulcanized sole. I'm a little disappointed that these aren't made in Italy or made in Portugal. These shoes are actually made in Indonesia, which is understandable considering the price point is $300. That's much lower compared to other off-white sneakers, which are often in the $900 to $1,000 price range, at least in Canada. These are so dope. I know these released in Japan when I was there last time, but they sold out very quickly. So here's a quick little look at the Vans off-white knockoffs. Essentially, we have the shoelaces that got lace shoelaces in quotes. We got the orange lace tips, which look really, really weird. We have the off-white logo there. We got the red or orange pull tab. So the zip tie is actually attached to the shoe, and if you really want it off, you're gonna have to cut it off. When it came to the Nike releases, you're able to just take it off through the laces. So that's I think I might leave this on. I'm not too sure, but I know people make a big deal out of it if you do cut it off. I know Carlo cuts them off. Here's a look at the rest of the shoe. The laces are really, really soft. We have a white canvas upper. The midsole has the horizontal lines going across of it, and the midsole is actually thicker than the Vans midsole. So you might be a little bit taller if you wear these. You got off-white in quotes right there on the side. Black midsole wrapping around the toe box. Bam! On the inside here, we have hits of orange, and it actually extends onto the canvas material. It also reads Off-White CO Virgil Abloh 13. So I guess this sneaker originally released in 2013, and they just continuously bring it out year after year after year because it is essentially a timeless classic off-white shoe. If you think about it, it has 2018 on the side here. So maybe if it's a 2018 pair or a different year, it'll show what year it released on there. Got the Off-White branded insole. We got 42, the size in quotes right there. It was easier for me to justify buying this than paying resale because I would still get a lot of wear out of the shoe, and it's definitely a sneaker that will break necks because not everybody is going to have these. This is one of the cheapest off-white sneakers you can get that look really good and still stay true to the whole off-white image or aesthetic compared to something like the Off-White Mercurials by Nike. Those are not, you know, those don't scream off-white, but these right here, this screams off-white. So with that said, if you guys did make it to the very end of the video, let me know your opinions on the cheapest off-white sneaker, and if you would buy these for 300 Canadian, 220 US, same price point as Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. Actually, on that note, let's make it the comment question of the day. What would you guys rather have? A pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2s and the recent colorways that came out because they're readily available for retail, or would you rather have these off-white Vans lookalikes? Let me know. Hit that thumbs up button down below, smash subscribe to PewDiePie, unsubscribe to T-Series, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.